Find the average value given f of xy equals 4 minus x minus y, and the region is a set of points xy such that x is between 0 and 2 and y is between 0 and 2. Okay, well, let's go ahead and set up this integral. See, x goes from 0 to 2, y goes from 0 to 2. So I am looking at this region right here on the xy plane with this as a surface over top of it. Well, one of the things that I need to do is I need to figure out the area of this region to begin with, because it's asking for the average value. So the average value is going to be, let's say, how do I want to do this? Just say FAV. The average value is going to be 1 over the area of the region, for lack of better notation, times the appropriate double integral over the region of f of xy dA, taking the antiderivative with respect to the area. So this is the general idea to find the average. So this region, there's just this 2 by 2 square. If it was some other region, I would just simply do a single integral to find out what the area is on the xy plane. So this is just going to be 1/4, because it's 2 by 2 is 4. So this is 1 over 4 times the double integral. Well, both x and y go from 0 to 2. Of 4 minus x minus y, and it doesn't really matter which order I do this because the bounds are the same. So I happen to choose x. I'm going to take this piece, work on it as a separate integral, and for right now, so this is going to be the integral from 0 to 2 of 4 minus x minus y dx, which is going to be 4x minus x squared over 2 minus yx evaluated from 0 to 2. And that's going to give me, 8 minus 4/2 minus 2y for the first part, and then going to subtract from that 0, so that's not a big deal. Well, this 4 over 2 is obviously 2, so this is going to be 6 minus 2y. So now I'm going to integrate from 0 to 2, that 1/4, that's the guy from there, 6 minus 2y dy, which gives me 1/4 times 6y minus y squared, because this is 2y squared over 2, 2's cancel. And this is going to be evaluated from 0 to 2. So this will give me, 1/4 times 12 minus 4 minus 0, because I evaluate this at 0, obviously that's going to be 0. So this is 8 over 4, which is just 2. So if I were to produce a three-dimensional graph of this function and consider this surface, how it lies over top of this region on the xy plane, the average, which is the average volume, is going to be equal to 2. That's what that's saying.